Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a personal dictionary in Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let's get started. Please do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole Google Docs document file, interface, or even if you're just starting, a beginner, or even a first-timer using Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Docs or Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date so that we will not encounter any error along the way. Now, as you can see on my Google Docs file, I have here a sample paragraph in which there are grammatical errors or even misspelling. But let's say, for example, this word right here is not a misspelling, but rather is just an unfamiliar word in which the Google Docs detects as a misspelling. Let's say this word is a word that is on your native language. How can we create a personal dictionary for this? Basically, the purpose of a personal dictionary is so that Google Docs will not detect unfamiliar words as misspelling. Like this, as you can see, there is a red curly underline underneath it, which indicates that this one is a misspelling. Now, how do we create a personal dictionary? It's actually quite simple. All we have to do is to navigate to the upper section of our Google Docs interface right over here, in which we can see there are tons of different options we can choose from. Now, from here, what we want to go is this search the menus icon right here, or you can simply press Alt+/ on your keyboard. As you can see, we have now opened the search bar or search the menus icon. Now, what we would like to do is to enter the word personal dictionary. Or you can just type personal. And as you can see, the first thing that pops up is the personal dictionary option. We would like to choose this one. Just click it once, and as you can see, we can add a new word on our personal dictionary. For me, I would like to add the word that was labeled as a misspelling earlier, like this. Click on Add, and press OK. As you can see, this word is now not labeled as a misspelling because we have added it in our personal dictionary. And that goes with other words such as this one, this one, this one, and many more. As simple as that, we have now created a word in our personal dictionary. If you learned something in this video, please drop a like and consider subscribing. If you like videos like this, we have created a dedicated playlist for the compilation of Google Docs on our YouTube channel. Please be sure to check it out. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.